Hello. So, good evening, guys. I want to share the relationship between all these fundamental macros and technical analysis. Most times, I see people coming online to talk that technical analysis is a bullshit, this and that. All those people are just stupid, broke ass people, that don't even know what they are doing. So, I will share the relationship between those, and with technical, we can be 100% profitable using only technical analysis. Technical analysis gives you entry. It gives you entry. It gives you like a sniper perfect entry. So how you are trading with anything less than $10 billion, you need technical analysis. And most technical analysts I know are actually rich. Don't mind what you see online. So in this video, I will use what happened on 5th of July, the day that OPEC had meeting all day. We all know, if you don't know what OPEC is an organization that foresee the petroleum exporting countries. It's just a board that is overseeing it. And when you talk of OPEC, you talk of when you talk of OPEC, you talk of cash, Canadian dollar have something to do with oil. So on that day, I was on chart, I saw a pattern that was forming on the chart showing that GBP card especially is bullish, that GBP card is bullish, even USD card. I saw it like a week before, just waiting for that day. So on that day, if you go to Forex Factory and check 5th of July 2023, you will see this OPEC news and it's on red. It's on red. Why people wait for all this news, all this macro? If you want to make the measurement money in this market, you should just wait for the day there will be enough liquidity, because for market to move, it's actually fundamentals, no doubt, that will give it that liquidity to move and all these things, So looking at this news and seeing that this thing will happen on Wednesday, let's now go to GBP card. Even on GBP card that day, on weekly time frame, the pair was bullish. On daily time frame, the pair was bullish. Even on 4-hour time frame, the pair was bullish. All of us have our own technical patterns we look at. I have mine. So on that day in particular, I saw why I cleared my chart. These things we do on chart is not like we is something we have known how to do already. I mostly use higher time frame to do my analysis. I took this trade on my account, a small account. I think I make $500 on the big account. I can't mention amount I made there, but it's fine. But how did I know that this thing will move that day? This is, I use divergence a lot. I use it a lot, so looking at this place, I saw a bullish divergence first. I saw my RSI going up. I saw my chart going down. Then I read the market structure. If you know your market structure, just forget all these people that are talking against technical analysis. All of them are mad. I'm telling you, this is just lower low, lower high. This is just an internal structure. I marked it. Yeah. So looking at this, what I mostly look at, I'm a reversal trader. I look at reversals. So I just marked this. technical analyst will understand. You know, I marked this last lower high. I count this last lower high because that's what launched the last lower low we had here. Before the news, this is all these things that started here. This is June 23rd. It started from June 23rd, giving us all this pattern. You know, I just put a trend line. I put a trend line here. I kept it. You know, nothing else. I was waiting for the fateful day. All these things, you know, they are there on chart, waiting for you. Yeah, news is coming. All these things are coming. But the chart will be giving you the footprints. You know, this is what I was waiting for. You know, and that day, why trading on the day news will come out is that it will help you to enter a good trade. I use Fibonacci and, you know, trend line. I use what is it called? I use higher time frame supply and demand zone. So this is a trade for me. That retest and that big engulfing of foul. Go and check this thing. I'm just sharing my strategy here for free. I know it's not about sharing it. I know people don't actually put in the work to go and check it out. So this is the trade. You know, very simple trade. I didn't take this trade here because I was waiting for that day that I would take this thing. I just took small position, you know, hesitated at this zone, you know. So that's it for this thing. Let's now wait for that main day on 5th of July. On 5th of July, I showed you on Forex Factory. You know, the meeting lasted all day, OPEC meeting. You know, this is what some people do. You don't see them in the market. They only come to the market to do what they know how to do best, you know, and this is where you should master a particular pair, know how it functions, you know. So on which day did this candle print? On June 30th, this candle printed, you know, and this thing consolidated. I think this consolidation lasted for days. This consolidation lasted for days. This consolidation here lasted for days. Just box it. Nothing to do again. Box it. Leave it there, bro. And wait for the day. And wait for the day. Wait for the day. Wait for the day. The main day. Then this is 5th July. Right? This is the day. This is the day. This is the day. Like, I think what macroeconomics and fundamentals help people to do is, if you want to enter a trade, number one, you use a higher lot size, and number two, you will enter the trade with confidence. You know, anybody that is shorting this trade here, I don't think that person has sense. There's no how you can be shorting GBP card at this zone. There's no how you should even do that, you know. So all these things, I just woke up. I took my trade around 5 a.m. I just know that this is the day. I went to lower time frame. I went to lower time frame to pick an engulfing candle and enter the trade. But on 4-hour candle, the candle that printed when I took the trade was this candle. You know, in this market, you take your trade and put your take profit and stop loss at reasonable place. You know, I'll just put my stop loss below this. this supply zone, which is 44 pip. Yeah, some people will boast I do 1 pip, one this, one that. I don't have any problem with that. Make sure no matter this thing you are putting, you are making profit. You know, me, I just target 1:3. That's the trade I took. Even if I didn't take this trade here, like a lot of strategies to take the trade. People that box, like this is another trade here too. You know what boxing is. As you don't box this consolidation, market broke out, retested that box. You just enter your trade again on fire. Just enter once this candle close and fire. On fire. I always keep my take profit there. Just fire. So imagine from that day, market have flew. This market did almost I didn't heard from here. If I heard from here, I'm not a swing trader, I'm not a day trader, I'm just in between all these trades. If I had kept the trade from here, which is the accurate entry, just put my take profit here and just use trailing stop loss to follow it. This will just be people that do proof firm. This is enough to pass your proof firm account. This is 1:13. When I started this video, you know why I marked this thing. This red box I marked here. You know why I marked it? It's a weekly supply zone that market tested, the market is respecting it. So everything works in this market. Everything works. It just depends. This trade is enough. Like for one full year, it's enough. Just imagine risking $10 million in this trade. Cash out $130 million. You are done for the year. So all these things are just there. Like, I don't know why people come. Even all these people that are saying all these things are not even confident on their trade. Look at this trade. Even on that day, USD card also. This trade is excellent. USD card, like, I looked at it. Yeah, it gave entry, but I not too like the entry. That is why I didn't enter it. Let me still show you. This is the trade I took last week. This trade. USD card. USD card on that same day. Let me always clear my chart. So that it won't look like a rocket science. Or we are doing something like we are not magician. USD card on that same 5th on 4-hour time frame. Why I didn't took USD card is that USD card on weekly time frame is bearish. It's bearish on daily time frame. Yeah, So that's why I didn't took on USD card. USD card. But before then, I saw this. USD card is beautiful. All these things are on chart. This is a bullish divergence on 4-hour time frame. It's a bullish divergence on 4-hour time frame. Our last, like doing the same thing. No different, whatever. No different thing, brother. No different thing. Even this week, I'm seeing what will happen on USD card. But you don't, last week I posted something like BTC will dump this week, USD will dump this week, but use your technical analysis to find entry. I didn't see an entry. I only saw entry on Earth on Friday, which is the only trade I took. And, you know, cashed out 42%. You know, so this is bullish divergence on USD CAD. So I will put my feed from here to here. Like, this is not a rocket science, brother. I told you before that my two entries are either trendline breakout and retest, or what is it called? Or higher time frame demand and surprise zone. Like, this thing is simple. This market is for people that are patient. Just know what you are doing. It's enough. This is bullish divergence. This is break construction. You know, you just wait for that day if you don't want to stress yourself. This is fourth. Then on fifth, this is fifth, 1 o'clock a.m. You see this candle. Brother, just enter the trade. Enter the trade, market will move. You know, negative 61.8. It just came there to do this thing. From that fifth, it moved. You know, USD. This is USD CAD. Normally, if GBP and all these things are going up, USD CAD is supposed to be going down a bit. But this is the news day. Market moved on fifth. You can see it moved. It didn't hit that this thing. But even when the market stopped, you get your 1:3. Now you get out of the market. So that's just it. This thing is not a rocket science. It's not a rocket science at all. So me now seeing a sell, seeing GBP card, for example. You can see that GBP card on. Oh, this was a trade I analyzed on Friday before my migraine started. You know, GBP AUD. When I went blind, I couldn't take the trade again. But the trade is going fine at the moment. I will still do my markup. So looking at these two things on CAD JPYs, one thing I normally do, this is weekly, right? And this is 4 hour. So which shot should I take? If I want to take short, I should take short on USD CAD. Reason is because on weekly time frame, USD CAD is bearish. On daily time frame, USD CAD is bearish. On 4 hour time frame, USD CAD is bearish. G CAD is on supply zone, right? But on weekly time frame is bullish. Daily is bullish. 4 hour is bullish. So the supply zone here, there's nothing wrong taking short, but it's good to follow the trend because trend is your friend. You know, just allow the market to show you its movement. This market have every right to break this and has every right to respect this place. All you just need to do is to just be reactive to this market. You know, I'm not that type of trader that will come and tell you that this must happen. No, market don't work that way. Nothing is a must here. But if you want to win 99% of the time, just be reactive. Allow the market and big boys to do their things. After they have done their things, then you will do yours. You know, it's that simple. It's that simple. So guys, I hope you learn a lot from this. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.